Hello, welcome to the XUCPA channel. Today we'll be touching on something very important. As a business owner, when do you file your taxes? So we'll be going through the steps. Stay tuned. So when you file for your taxes, as a business owner, first it depends on your entity structure. Now, how do you know what entity structure, do you have? Then the first thing is that you do have to refer back to this notice called CP 575. What is it? CP 575. It is an IRS letter that is issued by the IRS to you, and then it is often an EIN letter, and it will also show the kind of tax forms that you have to file. Now, if you're not sure, obviously, you are really not sure about your entity structure, and therefore you will need help, and please reach out, and our website and our link, it's underneath here. You can even check with us anytime if you have questions. Now, I'm going to show you, in general, there are actually three different types of companies. There's the limited liability companies, the S corporations, and the C corporations. Now, they are all different. For example, as a limited liability company, you could be a single member, you could be a multi-member. Single member, you file Schedule C, which actually goes along with your 1040. Now, if you're a multi-member, then you file this form called 1065. But what is confusing to business owner is that sometimes you can be an LLC who actually report taxes using 1120S because you elected to be taxed as an S corporation, and sometimes certain LLC may elect to be taxed as C corporation, and therefore you file the 1120. Now, talking about S corporation, if you are an S corporation, then typically you do have to submit 2553 to make sure that your status as an S corporation has been approved. And if that happens, then your filing deadline is March 15, and you have to file a form called 1120S. If you're a C corporation, then you have to file a form called 1120. No, wait, this is all confusing. To make it even more confusing is that all these different forms have different filing deadlines. If your C corporation is April 15. If your S, it's March 15. If your 1065 is March 15, and your Schedule C, it's April 15. If you file extension for C corporation, then obviously you have to file by October 15, which will be coming soon. And then if you're S corporation in partnership and you file extension, then your filing deadline will be September 15. I know all of this is really confusing. We do actually have met business owners who thought that they're C corporation. In actual fact, they're a single member LLC. We have met people who actually elected to be taxed as S corporation and then have been filing a Schedule C for more than 5 years. So as you can see, it's very important. As a business owner, I always encourage that before you even register a business, before you start a business, please make sure you talk to a CPA, reach out. If you have any questions, if you need to schedule a tax consultation, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we will appreciate your support, and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will be sharing with you more tips and tricks about accounting, taxes, and see you then. Thank you. Bye-bye.